Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again for another episode of our daily stock market and cryptocurrency insights. So I mentioned in my previous videos that I do review stocks, likewise in the Philippine and the US markets, and in some occasions I would also review cryptocurrencies. And that is the focus of our video today. I want to check out XRP, DOGE, and Bitcoin because I know these are the more popular, or let's just add ADA or ADA into our list because I know these are the most popular cryptocurrencies and altcoins that we currently have in the past few days or weeks. Alright, so just hang in there. If this is the first time you're watching my video, you may check out my previous videos. I'm sure you will learn a lot from those videos too. So I'm inviting you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So let us get started. Okay, so on this video, on this screen right now, you will see XRP. And as we all know, previously XRP, I'm now on a weekly chart, and XRP has, it rallied significantly for the past how many weeks now? Actually, the entire month of April, and it started, entire month of April, it was rallying to the upside. However, when the market dipped along with the other coins and even Bitcoin, it actually started with Bitcoin dropping, and then the other altcoins were influenced by the decline. And right now, the reason why I'm putting it on a weekly chart so that we have a clear view or a clear picture of the overall direction of this altcoin. So at the moment, if you notice, using my Bollinger Band and the other indicators, I have my volume here, my RSI over here, you will notice that we have just landed on a weekly chart. We're talking about this week in particular, right? We have started a bounce when the price reached around the 0.78. It actually reached as low as over here. There was a slight overshoot at the 0.66, but we have closed the week last week with it ending just at the MA20 area, and right now we started here. Although just understand that there will be slight overshoot, like what happened here. In some occasions we could overshoot, and it could even revisit again the 0.64 area because the market, the crypto world is really volatile, especially it's open within 24 hours. So we can have long wicks up and down here. So let's try to understand the overall picture first. I can say that this is our area of possible bounce, which is just right at the MA20 line, but expect that there could be some slight overshoot below the 0.73 area. We could even go as low as 0.60 or 0.65, but then again, I can say that there's a big probability that we can end the week with this area being respected as a possible area of bounce. Now let's try to understand how we are currently moving within the daily chart. So if you are into day trading, then you can take advantage of this high volatility that's happening. On a daily chart, we have our wiggle room from here to here. If you're able to catch it, let's say you're able to place an order right here, and then just one day worth of performance, it goes extreme to this, you can even take profit and then enter again when the price drops, because in a day, as you notice, there are long wicks happening. You don't even have to wait for the entire 73% to gain something out of it. You can just haggle like 20-30% and then exit and then wait again. So just to share, yesterday I was able to enter at the 0.70 area. So actually it wasn't yesterday, it was on this day. So I was not able to perfect my entry because it even went as low as 0.66. But I was able to enter at the 0.70, and then I exited. My exit was also not um, at the top. I was able to exit around 0.85, but at least I was able to gain close to 30%. And then I'll just wait for this to probably revisit. I already entered an order using my eToro account. I already entered around the 0.65 area, just anticipating that we might have some overshoot again and could revisit this area. So just being on the conservative side, just in case. There's what they call a dead cat bounce. In the event this is a dead cat bounce, then at least I know that this is a temporary. When you say dead cat bounce, it's a temporary bounce which creates a lower high and then eventually creates a lower low. So chances are we could revisit that. So just in anticipation that in case there's another wave of a downtrend that might happen in the crypto world. But so far, this is already a good haggle around the 0.65. I entered, I think, around 0.65. I already have an order placed in that area. But with the way it is moving right now, let's see. It's still, in trading view, it is, the sentiment is still on sell. If you are to open it on, let's say, 5-minute chart, it's a buy. 15 minutes, starting to have the sell over here. 4 hours, yeah, on a 4 hour sentiment, sell. It's a sell. Okay, so who knows? Big dump in the price. They sometimes do this. So we don't know how long. I mean, in what time frame will that be? Okay, so that is for XRP. Oh no, let's just open this again. Maybe I lost my chart, but let's try to open Bitcoin. Bollinger Band, RSI. So that is my chart, and I changed this to dark mode, and we're back. Now let us take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also giving us almost the same view as what we have in our XRP. So if I'm to plot this, I would also place an order around this key level over here. And the reason why I am saying that is because you have this area being revisited on the weeks of around January 21st. So in several occasions price was hit, and then there was a bounce that's happening, and then there was a continuation. Okay, so here as well, on this area, maybe we can even put it at a straight 30,000 level. So chances are it could revisit that and then can establish a bounce at that level. Also, one thing to take note of, we are slowly showing signs of bullish divergence here, while the price is just flatlining around that area. Then around this area, but your RSI is already gaining momentum. Okay, so that's a good one. So it's up to you. If you are really bullish towards Bitcoin, you can enter probably around the 34,000 level and then enter, or you can wait at the 30,000 level. Okay, so interesting. I think we're very near the possible, day of reversal. We have this slowly. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this area over here is already a little bit higher than the volume that we have right here. So maybe investors are already re-entering at the moment. Okay, let's talk about Doge. Doge is also giving us the same. So this one is I am plotting the support area at this level, or it could even overshoot up to this level. Okay, so these are the key areas you can put your orders on. You can probably put a 50% here of your desired allocation, 50% here, and then 50% here. So whichever is going to be hit first, then that's it, right? But overall, within the day, I don't know. It's already late in the evening here, Philippine time. Actually, it's already morning, 2:21 in the morning Philippine time. So who knows? While we are sleeping, the price could just create a long wick touching this area and then recovers. So we don't really know. But for now, uh, it pays to be on the a little bit on the conservative side, because this could also mean another dead cat bounce that we can expect to happen. But I think 0.24 area, considering that this is a support, there's a big probability that it will be respected and we bounce right there. One last is ADA or ADA. So this one is almost similar, okay? We're still on a downtrend over here, but I don't think it's gonna be that. I think this is the correct one. So if this continues to drop, that means we're not 100% out of the woods yet. We're still within the downtrend channel. In the meantime, this is the area where I'd like to plot our support there. So there's your support. If you go backtrack, this one is your resistance as well here, and some consolidation happening right here. So this is your downtrend resistance, this is your support. So if you want, you can place a test buy around this area, 1.26. Try it out. If you're just on the you're just speculating, you can opt to do short bounce trade and take advantage of 10-15% gain and exit. Otherwise, if you're a long-term holder, I think the 1.28 area is already a good haggle, considering that at one point it already reached a 2.4 level, and then it is now giving us like what, 100% discount. No, it's 50%, almost 50%. All right, so I think that this is already a good opportunity to start accumulating if you believe in the fundamentals of this coin. Now, what is not covered here, guys, is the fundamental analysis. So please do your research. Know that the cryptocurrency, or the crypto world is more volatile than the stock market. So the risk here is times 2, times 10 even, because this is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, but there's a lot of good opportunities here as well, trading cryptocurrency, because of the fact that there's really high volatility, and that's where we earn a lot if you just know when to enter and exit, right? So that is the reason why we also personally, the reason why I'm recording this is because this is a for personal consumption. I just want to document my thoughts. So if you see value in this, then you can probably do this in your trade, or follow it, or just watch it, and then maybe after 2-3 days you can go back to it again and see if our video is indeed valid or invalidated, and yeah, just for reference. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and good luck in your trades. Bye bye.